Hi, today I'll show you how to change date and time on your Motorola E6 Play. So, first of all, go to the settings, then system, date and time, turn off automatic date and time. You can also turn off automatic time zone. So then, let's set the data and time. You can also change the time zone. If you want to change it back, so you need to turn on again automatic time zone and automatic date and time. You can check it right now and now. You can also change the hour format from 24-hour to 12-hour, as you like. Leave a like, subscribe to our channel and visit our website HardReset.Info. See you next time.